Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Priya, and in this video we will talk about lactic acid peel. Lactic acid is derived from sour milk and is an alpha hydroxy acid. Lactic acid is considered a very superficial peel as it penetrates only up to the upper layer of your epidermis. We have three layers in our skin, that is epidermis, dermis and a fat layer. Epidermis also has several layers. The molecule of lactic acid is very big in size that it only penetrates up to the upper layer of your epidermis. Thus, its irritation factor is also very less as compared to the other peels. Lactic acid 40% can be used as a starting percentage or as a starter peel. If you have dry and sensitive skin, then it is excellent for you. It can be used for fine lines, wrinkles and pigmentation. It can be used one time a week. Lactic acid is hygroscopic in nature. That means it pulls moisture to your skin. So it is excellent for the person who have dry skin and sensitive skin. You will not see much visible flaking in case of lactic acid. So it is a good peel if you are working out. Lactic acid 40% can be used as a starter peel and it should be applied evenly on your face, leaving the eye area. You should be very cautious for your eyes while applying acid on your face. Leave it for 2 to 10 minutes and spray neutralizer on your face. It is an alpha hydroxy acid, thus spraying neutralizer is must. So, spray the neutralizer and leave it for 1 minute on your face. Then go and rinse your face with water and apply a good quality moisturizer in your face. You have to apply sunscreen of minimum SPF 30 on your face while going out. It is must if you are using a chemical peel. Do not go out without applying a sunscreen if you have a chemical peel done on your face. You can also apply a very thin layer of Vaseline using a cotton bud in the upper part of your lips and in the eye area so that the acid do not peeps into your eyes or your lips. So friends, this procedure is only for the people who have milder skin issues. If you have major skin problems, you go and consult your nearby dermatologist. Thank you friends. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more such videos.